Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Good morning, Lucas. Good morning, Kylie. Who took the short? Because that was a beautiful pre-open, sweeping Asia high. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Chavi. It was beautiful. Prior to the open, prior to 3 a.m., 3 a.m. giving this move lower into the 15-minute fair value gap. It's beautiful. Good morning, Harun. Sad that I missed it. Good morning, panel. Good morning, Nate. How are we doing? Let's check out the daily chart real quick. We have a bearish daily fair value gap, so I guess that would be, like, if we continue going higher, that would be my draw on liquidity for now. Just see how we react from it right there. Let me just mark it out. That's this high. Morning, Josh. On the 4 hour, not much. The 4 hour not showing much. We swept previous out 4 hour high, being the Asia high. On the hourly, pretty much the same. We are trading into the hourly, into an hourly fair value gap, pretty much throughout the whole Asia session. 15-minute, we tapped into the 15-minute gap, and we are reacting strongly to it. Minute. I mean, the short was good. The reaction from the 15-minute gap is also really good. Exactly, Karun. So I guess I'm aiming for this high, strong liquidity, the daily fair value gap. Let's see ES for a moment. So ES is the weaker asset today. Looks like trading a little bit lower than in Q, and Q being a little bit more strong. Good morning, Chris. No week on the 15. True, we have no week on the 15 minutes, so another reason for us to believe that we might go a little bit higher from here. Still, I'm just trying to think of is what do I want to, how am I going to position into this? Because the manipulation is just here. It's maybe like using a breaker block or something higher. Okay, so this 15-minute, I really like if we can manage to close this 15-minute as a C2. That would be really crazy. So I guess for me the important part is to see if we close the like if we close the C3 to the downside, or if we close the C2 to the upside. How many minutes? 14, 2 more minutes for the 15 to close. Wow, we're push like a web push lower. Guess we're not having the push higher that I wanted. Maybe yes, it's going for Asia low. Asia was like a really clean range. Not gonna lie. Like when you think of a range, you imagine this. It was perfect. I'm trying to actually get an idea of what we can expect from London Solaris, but it's like for now it's hard. I mean, for now we are still trading inside the Asia range here. see if Asian, if US can take Asian. Yes, going for it. Just add another more candle to this. I want to see the fair value gap in here. Morning. Yeah, it is. It is holiday. Like this 15-minute high and this previous 15-minute low plus bullish fair value gap. It's my indicator. I can give you access though. Like it's not something extremely like super private. It's not public because I don't know. I just did it for myself. Information on crude oil. Nice. I would have been there. What up, brother? How you doing? Yeah, they really helped me a lot. Like this one specifically, the unicorn also with the higher time frame looks really good. If you want, I can give you access, Holly. If you send me your TradingView username, I can give it right now. Just give you access right now to this one. It looks like we're moving a little bit slower now. Let's see what we decide to do. ES swept previous 15-minute low, while NQ didn't, so we have an SMT, but I would prefer to just see ES go for Asia low and then form a stronger SMT. There you go. I'm adding you right now. Manage access, add new users. That's you. Add access, no expiration date. There you go. You're good to go. And thank you, by the way, Holiday. We're doing our best to get like the to-go channel for live trading. Don't train to New York. Took a nice 40-point long for GG, Justin. I wanted to cut this, like I wanted to catch this short here, looking for this exact same breaker, but I didn't have the confirmation on this candle at 258. Like I was preparing for the stream and I saw this happening and I didn't have the confirmation, so I didn't get in, and right away 3 a.m. just moved lower. It was pretty in the ass. Oh, you're welcome, Holiday. Anytime. And if you have any suggestions, like I'm always streaming London sessions, so if you're around and if you have any suggestions, like feedback or anything, just let me know and I can add it to the indicator now that you have access. How is ES doing? Same spot. I mean, it would have been clean. It would have not like been. It would have been like in this stream. So you had a good part and a bad part. Of course, first my trading rather than the stream. It would have been better to be able to catch it during the stream. And to be honest, at this point on NQ, I don't know if I wanted to see it. Like I don't want this hard moving higher without taking anything else. I know we just took it. We have SMT. At this point, I prefer yes to just take edge low and then go higher if we have to go higher. Okay, Raymond, I'm gonna note it. I'm gonna note it and add it. Previews, high time frame, 50%. That's gonna be a quick add to do. You can trade the C4 in the 15-minute. I could, yeah. I could do this. It's called OXXC. Like if you look for, I think it shows as Juno's OXLC. I need to change that because it has to be an XX suit. That's the one. Yes, to Asia. I also need to add another thing to it. Is midnight open? And 2-day open. Oh, it's the same thing. I need the daily open, daily candle open, and the midnight. the Asia high. I mean, I have the Asia high at the 9 p.m. high. Good morning, Joseph. The one that you're saying 6 at 8:50. Looks like we're going lower still. Yeah, of course. Yeah. My trade would have been a take profit. That's sad. Oh, I'm gonna wait and see what we do at digital on NQ. I don't know. I mean, I wanted to catch shores initially if I'm here, but couldn't manage to do it. Crude oil had a crazy move higher, and it was an easy long continuation from here. There it goes. Lower. Wow, it is crazy. Yeah, we're having a really strong reaction out of everything. It tapped into this hourly, 1 minute. Fair value gap, lower. That's her name. Huh? 7 p.m. What accounts am I trading recently? I mean, the high at 7 p.m. This one. I mean, I start counting Asia from 20, like from 8 p.m. New York time. Been trading. I mean, lately, as of the last months, I traded Top Step once again. I got a couple payouts with them. But lost the account already. Now I'm trading with TradeFi. Um, and I also traded a classic Lucid. I'm not copy trading too much, like too many accounts right now, as I'm like going through, like, I would say out of my 3 years that I've been trading futures, probably this has been the worst months ever so far. So I'm not trying to go too hard on the risk that I'm taking with accounts. So I'm not copy trading like more than 2 or 3 accounts at once. Last year I traded like 15 accounts, something like this. This year it's been less, and then that also is also affecting the amount of payout. I mean the quantity, the dollar amount of the payouts that I'm getting. But yeah, I trade 50Ks, Justin. I'm doing good, Pam. Thank you. How about you? I'm doing good. I slept really well. It's a bit rainy where I live today. Like it's cloudy. It doesn't feel like summer. But it's okay. Okay. Let me just add more candle. I still want to see the 15-minute fair value. Oh, what did I do? 7. Okay. Do I plan to go visit another country like Thailand? I was planning on going. I mean, I know it's gonna be weird because I cannot compare it to Thailand. They're completely different countries. But I'm planning on going to the United States by the end of the year for like a month or so. Just travel through the US. But no, I've been doing like small trips. I went to Paris this last weekend. Um, that's the thing. I wanna go like the East Coast, the West Coast. Like I want to do New York. I want to do LA. I want to do I want to go to Las Vegas, Death Valley, Yosemite. So I want to do it like a route. Get a car. How do I go with my evals? I try to pass them like I used to go way harder before. And let me just check because I think I can long this. I think I want to long this into the previous 15-minute high. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Good. I can get the trade here. I don't think I'm gonna get an entry anyway. I used to try and pass them like as quick as possible. So like in 2 days. Now I'm taking a little bit more time trying to just like if I feel like I have a good trade, just going for 2 days. potential unicorn. Now it's printing the potential. We actually didn't close above, so it's maybe a little bit premature entry, but hey, I think it's good to risk. And now I'm taking a little bit longer to pass the accounts, like 2, 3 days. I mean, 3, 4 days, like maybe double the days that I take into passing the accounts. Eric, like I always used Asia session, like start of the Asia session at 8 p.m. New York time. So anything prior to 8 p.m., I do not consider it Asia high. I mean, you can, like, it's just an hour if you really want it, but that's how I think everyone uses it, right? I mean, I've been to Vegas already, and I've been to the Great Canyons before. I remember going like with a helicopter when I was like more like younger. And I also remember that Vegas was I went there in July, I think it was. It was extremely hot. Like you had to go underground because there's like underground things that you can go from casino to casino without even touching the street. Looks like we not being able to get above the potential unicorn here yet. What is ES doing? MES seems like it's holding nicely. Really nice. ES holding compared to NQ. Maybe we keep going lower until we get the sweep of Asia low. I mean, the thing is, I've never been to Vegas now that I have the age to play. When I was there, I was 17, so I couldn't even like stop at a table to watch or like in front of a machine because someone from security would tell me something. Which close should confirm like above the on the 1 minute above 328 candle would confirm the unicorn. Right now it's just a potential, and I try to anticipate like a push higher, and clearly I didn't get it. Like this 328 candle is the breaker block, so a closure above would confirm it. How many minutes for this 15 minutes? It's still 5 minutes for the C3 to form. So this setup could completely go wrong anytime soon. Thank you, Justin. Have a good day, brother. And have a good New York session. 335. The thing is, that was a weird volume imbalance, actually. I mean, yes, we can consider it, maybe. But you see how the closure of the 334 and then the open of the 335 is just weird. Like 335 open a little bit higher of what the actual 334 close was. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get a stop loss here. Just after failing this 341 candle, closing above the potential unicorn, and we're just ranging inside it. That's really bad for unicorn setup. Yeah, it's usually like it's tricky, especially during London session, that we tend to have this type of things. Is the volume is way lower. Of 2 minutes for C3. Sad part about it is that if we're not like way closer to the entry, probably C3, unless it expands higher right away, it's gonna form a weak and most likely get me out of this trade. With this stop loss, of course, I could just move the stop loss lower, but it's not something that I want to do. I prefer to stick to the risk that I wanted to be okay with. Yes, way stronger. Yes, is still holding the unicorn perfectly. Okay, there it goes. The stop loss on this one. Let's see what we do. I want to see if we close still like this or not on the 15. Let me see. We still have 15 minutes for 4 a.m. We kind of closed. Possible swing. Yeah, I'm gonna wait out for HLO to get swept here, maybe on NQ. I mean, it wouldn't been like really bad if this setup played out. To be honest, like with the SMT at HLO sweeping previous hourly low, previous 15-minute low, sweeping a 15-minute swing low. I think it was a good spot to try along. Mm-hmm. I mean, the short was clean. The short was not bad. I've been managing to get good. I mean, not good trades, decent trades. It is true that during London session, the part of London session was not the best. Maybe 4 a.m. is going to be the one doing something down here. How many accounts am I holding at the moment? I think it's for I have 5 Apex accounts. I'm trading one TradeFi. I think I have another Lucy. So 6, 7. Right now in this, I'm trading with one account. I'm trading with a TradeFi evaluation. Nah, brother. This thing is gonna play out. What trading platform I prefer? I mean, I trade with TradingView when it comes to a platform, but I hate that TradingView is just so slow with how they move the candles. Oh wow, what a push! I mean, the ES setup, it kind of held a little bit. Got suffer given. Nice. I mean, not nice, but it's better every given than lose. I still think we go higher. Like, I really like the spot where we are. But whatever. I don't know what was that like. This push higher to then completely reverse it lower. To be honest, what the fuck? One of the things I need to add to this indicator is fair value gap alerts. I want to create a fair value gap bot that just tells me whenever we're trading into a fair value gap or not. Like, just gets me an alert. Raise price playing out. I mean, we're still in a range. I mean, for the session, yep. but oh, it's outside of it. We're still inside the Asia range. What about trading continuation unicorns? Yeah, we could trade them. The thing is, I need a fair value gap for a continuation, and on the 15, I don't have it. Like it's way higher here above this high, and on the 5 minute, I don't have it either. 2 minutes, I don't have it either. Uh, um, I mean, I prefer to have a fair value gap than just the C1 sweep, to be honest. I mean, especially during London session, there's just, yeah. We slow down a little bit. Maybe just slowing down prior to 4 a.m. Okay, we swear previous 50-minute low. until we get to maybe 4M is the one that gives us Asia low. Yes, and going completely different right now. Well, we didn't take the fucking low. Yeah, wow, what a drop from here. Yeah, it's crazy. What a sell off right at the low, at the Asia low. Yeah, but the thing is, you want to see a reaction right away. I mean, not right away, but you want to see a strong reaction after the sweep of the low. Like if you don't have it in the coming few minutes, probably I would not expect um taking anything. But probably. Mm. Mm, 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 boom. Oh, maybe not. We're not dumping, but I don't see the reaction that I really wanted to see out of yellow right now. You think the longer it takes, maybe the worse. do it. We completely died. Well, I guess I'm not gonna get the reversal, so I'm gonna be done here. Sad long here. Sad that I couldn't take a short up there. Good enough session. Like, I'm not gonna complain. It was a cool session. I'm done. We're gonna move on. I'll be streaming tomorrow, same time for London. Yeah, thank you so much for everyone. If anyone has any questions, just shoot it in chat before we go. Otherwise, I think we're good to go. Thank you, Holiday. Otherwise, I think we're good to go. And yeah. Thank you, Fox. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe during your session, as always. And yeah, see you tomorrow for London session again. Have a great day. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye, guys.